Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm gonna share a peanut chikki recipe with you all. Peanut chikki is a traditional Indian sweet candy made with jaggery and peanuts. It is an Indian version of peanut brittle. Satisfy your sweet cravings with this super easy, yummy and super healthy recipe. It is high in protein, contains all the essential fats and is loaded with antioxidants that are great for your skin and hair. The best part is that you can make them in a few minutes. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make a peanut chikki. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. First, we need to dry roast the peanuts. You can roast the peanuts in the pan or an air fryer. I'm using an air fryer so that I won't burn the peanuts. I'm using the Instant Vertex Plus air fryer. Preheat the air fryer for a couple of minutes at 380 Fahrenheit. Mine preheats itself, so I'm just selecting the temperature at 380 Fahrenheit and the time for 4 minutes. Spread the peanuts in the basket or a tray. Don't overcrowd it. Preheating is done. Keep the tray in the middle rack. Let it roast for 4 minutes. If you want, you can shake them in between. Now it's done. It roasted perfectly. Cool them completely. Remove the skin by crushing the nuts gently. Separate the skin from the peanut. Break the peanuts half by crushing it using a small bowl. Keep it aside. Take a heavy bottom pot or a pan or an instant pot. Add jaggery and 2 tablespoons of water. Let it melt. One important note. I tried this peanut chikki many times and got failed due to jaggery. I end up getting stingy consistency. To make chikki, jaggery is the key ingredient. To make the perfect chikki, choose normal jaggery. Try to avoid the premium quality once it's labeled like organic, unrefined, pure jaggery. If you are unable to find the normal one, just replace the 6 tablespoons of jaggery with the 4 tablespoons of refined sugar. If you find any impurities in jaggery, you can filter it at this stage. Once it is melted, boil it for 5 minutes on low flame or sort it in an instant pot in low heat mode. Check the consistency by dropping the syrup into a bowl of cold water. It should form a hard ball and cut with a snap sound. Else, boil for another minute and check. Turn off the flame and add the roasted peanuts quickly. Stir it well. Immediately pour the mixture into a tray lined with a butter paper. Spread and pat with the help of a small cup to smoothen the top. These steps you have to do it quickly. Allow to cool it for a minute. And when it's still warm, cut into pieces. Enjoy this healthy peanut chikki or peanut brittle once it's cooled down completely. You can store it in an airtight container. It will be good for a month. My kids love this peanut chikki. These are the best snacks to give to them instead of the sugar candies. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.